Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to pair fonts like a pro using Canva Shorts. If you've ever found yourself staring at Canva's font menu, feeling overwhelmed or unsure about which fonts look good together, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. Font pairing can be surprisingly tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll know a super simple way to make your designs look polished and professional, without the headache of trying tons of random combos. Let's dive right in. So if you've ever felt stuck choosing fonts that work well together, the good news is Canva has actually done a lot of the hard work for you. Instead of spending ages experimenting, we're going to take advantage of Canva's built-in font combination features. Trust me, this will save you time and give your projects that designer look in just a few clicks. First, open up your Canva project or start a new one and head over to the Text tab on the left-hand side of your screen. You might be tempted to just pick one of the basic font styles at the top, but here's the insider tip. If you scroll or hover just below the simple text options, you'll notice a section called Font Combinations. This is where the real magic happens. Now, don't rush this part. Take a moment to check out these options. Each font combination here is thoughtfully picked by Canva's team of designers to ensure the fonts complement each other effortlessly. It's a bit like picking out an outfit. Canva has already matched the shirt and the pants, so all you have to do is choose the style that fits your occasion. For example, you might see a bold heading font paired with a simple, clean subheading. This contrast helps draw attention to your main message, while keeping the supporting text clear and readable. Once you find a combination you like, simply click on it. Canva will automatically add that font pair to your canvas, all laid out for you. You don't have to worry about matching sizes or aligning the fonts. Everything is set up to look visually balanced right from the start. If you're not quite sure which pair to pick, hover over a few options and imagine how they might fit your project, a bit like trying on those outfits before you commit. From here, it's all about customization. Click on the text and edit it to match your own words or message. Maybe you're making a YouTube thumbnail, an Instagram post, or even a digital invitation. Replace the placeholder text with your own, and if you'd like to tweak the colors or adjust the size, go ahead. Those little changes can help your design fit your brand or mood perfectly. And if you're worried that it might not look as good after you edit it, don't stress. These combinations are really flexible. Just focus on communicating your message, and the design will hold up. At this stage, take a step back and give your changes a quick review. That's it, you've just paired fonts like a professional designer, all without the fuss. It's honestly amazing how much more cohesive and visually appealing your graphics will look just by starting with these ready-made font pairs. So there you have it, a quick but game-changing trick for pairing fonts easily in Canva Shorts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want tips on design. Make sure to subscribe for more clear, easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.